Welcome back to the Game On Guide. In this video tutorial, we will showcase how to easily create artificial intelligence, AI-generated YouTube videos using ChatGPT online. ChatGPT is a computer program that is trained to understand and generate human language. It uses a type of artificial intelligence called deep learning to analyze large amounts of text data and can use that understanding to generate new text on its own. ChatGPT can be used to create content such as scripts, dialogues, summaries, and many other forms of text that can be used for a variety of purposes, including creating YouTube videos. It's a powerful tool that can help people generate text for their projects with less time and effort. Before jumping into the step-by-step tutorial, consider tapping that subscribe button to become a Game On Guide guru yourself, and enable notifications so you never miss when a new video is available. Now, let's do this. As of the recording of this video, your first step is to open a new browser tab and navigate to OpenAI's website. You'll next want to click the link labeled Try at the top of the page to begin using ChatGPT. Next, you will click Sign Up, and you can easily log in to ChatGPT using your Google account. If you previously created a login, you would just click Log In instead. When signing up, be sure to first verify your account name to be used. Then, secure the login using your mobile phone number. You'll have access to the ChatGPT interface once you provide the access code that is sent as a text to the phone number you provided. This is what the homepage will look like. You can immediately begin typing any question you want in the chat box at the bottom of the page. For this example, we will ask ChatGPT to generate 20 YouTube video ideas for the best ways to make money online. After a few moments, you will see it begin to generate the response. You can use these as video titles themselves or even take it a step further by asking it to create multiple video title ideas for each of these options. We've already saved so much time here. For this example, we are going to use number 8 as our video title, The Best Ways to Monetize a YouTube Channel. You can highlight this title, then using your keyboard, you can easily copy it with Ctrl+C and paste it with Ctrl+V. And now, for ChatGPT's most helpful function, we can ask it to generate a YouTube video script for this title. Sit back in amazement as it drafts a beautifully written script for you in seconds. Once the script has been fully generated, you can then refine it further if you want. For instance, we can ask ChatGPT to make it more witty and/or funny. And voila, man, this is good stuff. Next, you can ask it to generate a video description for you to copy and paste onto YouTube. The best part about all of this is that ChatGPT will continually build upon future responses by remembering all of the information within the conversation so far, again, saving you time. You'll also need some video tags as well, so we can easily ask for a list of the best tags to use for this video. Depending on how you ask this, ChatGPT may list them out differently. In this example, we get bullets. To be able to easily paste your tags into your video on YouTube once it's uploaded, you will want to make sure they are separated by commas only. This is yet another request we can make to ChatGPT to save us time. It can relist the tags as we need it to. The last thing we'll need for our video is a good thumbnail, of course. So you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate thumbnail ideas if you need inspiration for designing one. Since we now have the script for our video, we need to plug it into an AI-based video editor. This is where Pictory comes in. It will do the rest of the work for us. To get started, you'll want to navigate to Pictory's website using the link in the description below. Once there, you'll want to sign up using your same Google account or email. There's a free trial that will allow you to create your first 3 videos up to a maximum of 10 minutes, but you'll need to purchase a premium membership for more access and to remove their watermarks. Not to worry, it's very affordable and you can snag a discount using the Game On Guide's discount code located in the description box below. To continue in creating our video on Pictory, we want to utilize the Script to Video option. So click Proceed. Then, we'll want to copy that finished video script from ChatGPT and paste it into Pictory. Once pasted, our recommendation is to remove any unnecessary formatting and begin separating the script by lines. If we do it this way, it will be neat and easy to generate the video scenes. Once that's done, you can then type the video's title at the top, or you can easily copy and paste it from our ChatGPT conversation. Before clicking Proceed, in the top right corner of the page, be sure to tap Scene Settings, and set the Line Breaks option under the Create New Scenes on setting. Next, we can choose a style template. Make your selection, choose your aspect ratio, as needed, and click Continue. Pictory will now generate the storyboard for your video. Now that we can see the full storyboard, you can begin to make any final adjustments. You'll be able to locate all of the created scenes along the left side of the page. Each scene is a different line from our script. Firstly, you will want to click on and adjust the font size of your on-screen subtitles. You'll most likely need to make it smaller. You can also move the text's position as it appears on the screen, among other changes. Take note that any changes made will only apply to the current scene, so be sure to utilize the Apply to All function at the top right of the editor to save tons of time. Now, if you don't like how the current style appears on the screen, you can easily change this at any time. To do this, you'll want to click the Styles tab on the left menu. Here, you will be able to save custom style templates that can be applied to your videos at any time. You can find a list of all of Pictory's available templates to choose from in the Styles library. If you decide on a new style to use, don't forget to make adjustments as needed and apply them to all scenes. Pictory will apply high-quality visuals to each of your scenes automatically based on your video script, but if you'd like to swap out any of the visuals, it's quite simple. Just select the scene, click the Visuals tab from the left menu, and choose a new one from a seemingly endless pool of royalty-free clips. Search a relevant keyword to make it easier to find what you want. Now you can choose some background music for your video. Simply click the Audio tab from the left menu to access a list of over 15,000 royalty-free tracks. You can filter and sample the tracks as needed and tap the heart icon to favorite the ones you like. Click Apply once you've made your selection. This will automatically loop the music for the duration of your video. You can also now add an AI-generated text-to-speech option with the VoiceOver setting within the Audio tab. There are a wide variety of voices to choose from, so take your time to sample and favorite the ones you like, just like you did with the background music tracks. Once you've decided, simply click Apply, and it will automatically render the voiceover on every scene for you. Also, you can reduce your background music's volume using audio settings. We recommend that you now select the highest quality output for your video using the Format tab from the left menu. 720p is most likely the default selection, so be sure to swap this to 1080p. And if you don't mind the extra time it takes, you can also toggle on the option, Optimize Generated Video for Size. We're nearly finished already. Now, since a custom thumbnail is always a better option, we can easily create one using Canva, a simple and user-friendly graphic design program. Use the link in the description below for instant and free access. You can easily sign up using your same Google account. You can use ChatGPT's previously generated thumbnail ideas for inspiration, but Canva has something even easier. Now, from the home page, select the YouTube thumbnail template to get started. Canva comes packed full of thumbnail templates to choose from, making this process even easier for you. You're welcome to search different keywords to locate specific designs, or just simply use a suggested one. Once you've chosen, you can edit the design as you see fit. You can even add additional graphics using the Elements tab from the left menu. Simply amazing. Alright, the finish line is within our reach. Now, we would recommend you take the time to view your video preview in Pictory using the option on the top right corner. It will compile everything we've done so far and play it out for you in a preview window. This part is very important, because, while the preview is playing on screen, you'll have the opportunity to take note of the balance between the music, the voiceover, and the flow of the text and subtitles. Be sure to make any final adjustments before generating the finalized video, as doing so should be the very last step. Using the Share option at the top right corner of the page, you can download your thumbnail from Canva to use on YouTube. And finally, you can click Generate on the top right corner of the Pictory page, and, once completed, you'll have the option to download the video file. Now, all that's left to do is upload your video on YouTube. It doesn't get any easier than that, folks. And don't forget, you'll find links for all these tools in the description box below. Well, that's it for today's video. We hope that this step-by-step tutorial helped you out and inspires you to start creating videos of your own. ChatGPT is truly revolutionary, and there are so many more uses for it beyond just helping to make YouTube videos. Be sure to leave a comment below to let us know what you think of ChatGPT and how you plan to utilize it. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications so you never miss a future upload. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.